O sige, dalan ko.
Nasuko sila sa ako ate. I don't know why. Kaya na siya.
Pasabdi sila.
Kani ate ha, ani akong story. Kabalo magid mo na naami diri nata diri at our effort are collective. For us to be here, blah blah blah. And then they don't want us to do picnic here anymore. Or karaoke. Wala naman ta nag-karaoke. We are just here within the kasi unya kayo nila na Dayon sila atin na NATO, Norway will be coming here. Dapat wala mo dali because you're misrepresenting the Filipino chucho, blah, blah, blah. Because probably they're going to talk on behalf of, parang mag-storya sila dito sa, baka Tatay Digong daw, and then I told her, maybe maybe wala kakabalo. Everything that we do is within the bounds of the law. Kaya mag-secure, permit, dili na yung magtaka-taka na you know, correct, we are inhabitants. Oh. No, I don't know, ate. Nasya ko sa iha. And then you have the audacity to message me. Tanaw akong post, ate.
Oh, pero dinigin na siya ni Senator Robin.
Oh, can you imagine ang akong post na nasya ko sa iha na you come at dayo.
Thank you.
You come at me like that na as if we are not knowledgeable of what we are doing ba na pataka lang ta diri Ambot anak ni ate oy. And then anaan pa ko niya, I will hunt you anywhere. Ano pa ko, okay.
Kasi nag-ala mo.
I don't know.
Kasi nag-hunt, kasi nag-ingon nga nag-hunt ko.
I don't gani nagulat lagi ko i-hunt lagi ko okay maghulat ra ko i-hunt pa ka I will make sumbong daw ko kay VP. Wow, napakay access kang VP. I will make sumbong daw ko sa legal team ni PRRD. Wow, naagi kay kuan. And then siya na I will call you out on Facebook. Ingin ko okay, go ahead, i-call me out ko kay if you're going to call me out then I'm going to respond accordingly, di ba? That's very lambot ano nila ma'am oy. Tinga ako sa ilaha. Kamusta po?
Okay naman, ito. Kanina ka pa namin hinahanap. Bigla ka nawala.
Sabi nila na ano daw ako, patakatakaan daw kami dito na nagganap-ganap ng mga... Sabihan mo.
Ano?
Kalabanin mo nga sila. Kasi sabi nila bakit daw kayo nagaganito, nag-karaoke, kumakain, picnic, pupunta daw dito yung NATO, Norway. Dapat daw tayo malinis dito, umalis daw tayo dito kasi we are not representing what the real fight is.
Well, ang tunay na laban po ay yung pagbibigay suporta kay Tatay Digong. At yung pagpupunta po rito ng mga loyalista na walang bayad, na sinasakripisyo ang kita sa kanilang trabaho, yan po ay patunay na talagang tanging pagmamahal kay Tatay Digong ang pagmamahal sa bayan ang dahilan kung bakit araw-araw ang mga tao ay naririto po sa Duterte Park.
Thank you, Atty. Ako basta ka.
Okay ka na, naka-recover ka na ba? Okay, let me explain about that. First of all, what do you want us to do? What do you really want us to do? Do you want us to be just sad? Do you want us to be, like what emotions? Because if you want to control our emotions, that's very... It's not really proper to control someone's. That's not very democratic. If you want to control our emotions, we go here not in a way where we celebrate PRRD's demise. Wala kami dito para i-celebrate yung pahirap kay PRRD. We're here to actually cater sa mga kababayan natin dito that are also sad, that are also feeling homesick or something. That's why we're here. We're not here to actually celebrate PRRD's demise na nasa loob siya ng prison. So, we're here to eat. Of course, if you go here, ano palang ini-expect ng mga tao na magpunta kami dito, mag-fasting pala kami. It's part of our culture, Filipino culture, come together. There's really always food. And there's always singing, because that's part of our culture. And if PRRD knows about it, I'm pretty sure that his morale will also be uplifted because he knows that, oh, may kababayan outside pala, ay masaya sila doon na they're still there.
Oh, yan yung totoo, guys. Wala akong pakialam sa NATO. Hindi ako natatakot sa NATO. Wala akong ginagawang masama. Ang NATO will definitely not take cognizance of whatever yung mga concerns ninyo. To the person who messaged me, if you're so brave and you are really, I don't know, an existing industry or entity, I don't know.
Authority.
Authority. Go ahead. I don't care. still, I will not be swayed away sa aking gustong gawin, which is just to show my unwavering love and support to the former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Again, to everyone, we are actually doing everything within the bounds of law. We always secure permit and we always abide with whatever new guidelines, new rules or protocols that needs to be followed.
Yes.
We are not children. We are adults.
There's no even police that visits us here because
Correct.
that's how organized we are. You know, if there is police, that means you're doing something bad. But if there's no police, if there's no police that comes here, actually, that means that the police trust you because you are doing something that is not out of concern of the government of Den Haag. See, I told you, if I'm here, I just really get angry all the time.
And you are expecting me to what? Be afraid? Okay, I'm only afraid of God. That's all. Period. That's the only thing. You know, honestly speaking, I am just doing everything in close collaboration with all other individual people who are like-minded because we want to make sure that the Filipinos who actually come and visit the ICC detention facility or what we call Duterte Park will feel comfortable, welcomed, and we are here together echoing one message.
Camaraderie.
Correct. If you cannot, if you want to do the same, come to the ICC every day. Oh, Tagaloma.
Yes. So, well, that's what we are. That's what we are doing here. Actually, Alvin and I always tell each other that we're only scared and we will only serve God and the people. Just like what PRRD believes. God first and then the people. So, you know, we're not really scared of anything as long as we are actually following the rules here in the Netherlands. There is nothing that what we do here is always legal. Even if we do events here, we always get permit. That is something that I'm really proud of. Unlike other people who lie, telling other people na, we have a permit here, but then suddenly there's no permit. So, yeah, that's what we're doing here. We're not scared. So, I do not know what Alvin was talking about sa NATO because I still have to read about it because I was here doing live earlier and I could not hold my phone. Hindi ko mahawakan ang phone ko kanina kasi nagla-live ako while Alvin is here, so I have not read whatever he was saying in our group chat. I still have to check mamaya. Yes, gisapot na pod ko because natakdan ko ni Alvin. Kay paabot niya, gisapot na pod diretso. No, actually, again, I would like to remind everybody, Alvin and I are friends, ha? We do not have any conflict with each other. It's just how we talk with each other in public. But when we are together, when we are in our, like if Alvin and I were together, we don't even do that banter. We only talk about deep things. We talk about politics. We talk about life, we talk about the books that we read. So we share all those deep things in life. We read books, we share na mga personal things. Dili mi kanang we really have that emote all the time. No, Alvin and I talk deeper things when we were together and we were alone. And yes. Thank you.
And also guys, here in Europe, while attacks is actually not welcomed, it doesn't work like that here in Europe. If you're here from Europe, you lived here for quite a while, kanang mga threats, it doesn't work.
It doesn't bother us. We have been already jaded with all of those things. First of all. Also, in Europe, it's very egalitarian.
Correct.
We do not respect anybody here nga ka na magpaingon-ingon nga, like, pag sinabi mo dito na, I have to be the authority. No, we don't respect that. We are egalitarian here. All of us are actually level.
Oh, and also, I would like to inform everyone, they told me na kanang, okay, consider it done. Kanaw sa conversation. And then,
Okay.
I noticed, grabe ang attack. Grabe, pagkatapos ato, grabe ang dagan sa mga comments.
Really?
About me, na kanang mga spam or mga whatever fake accounts dayon. Well-oiled machine lagi mo, Kinuo ko ngano inyo pa mo kung ginaginot. I'm just an ordinary citizen echoing the voice of millions of Filipinos who would have wanted to come here. That's why I am here, to stand on their behalf.
CPP, NDF, NPA, taga, nag-base sa Netherlands. Yes, there are a lot of them here. But then again, what we can do, these people are still civilians, man. They do not hold power. Civilians do not hold power here in the Netherlands. But if you're a leader, then that is something that we have to be really looking after or looking at, diba? Because they are the ones that actually influences people. But kung mga normal lang na mga tao, I don't think we have to actually chase after them. So yes, actually daghan jud traidor. It's not just outside of our people, ha, also inside. What do you think ang magtraidor sa mo ani Alvin is also from the outside? No, you can't call that. You know, the ones that can be also traitor are your friends. Exactly. It's in your circle. You can't call someone traitor if you are not related or affiliated with them, or people that affiliates with you. So yes, unsaon man na to ang NATO? No, we can't do anything with NATO. We're not even member. Exactly. NATO does not have any jurisdiction with ICC. They are different entities. Yes, if ingana mag-isip ang mga tao, no, ayaw na lang mo ninyo, ayaw ninyo istorya, ha, because we don't have time for that. That's nonsense.
Bullshit.
Yes, gisapot ako.
Ganing.
Wala pa lang si Francis, gisapot ako. Pakanaan ako dati maribik, babe.
Yan, sabi nila, NATO daw kuno pupunta dito kasi kausapin daw nila ang ICC. Ang tanong dyan, ang ICC ba at NATO, meron man jurisdiction ang NATO sa ICC, or is one entity better than the other? Oh, number one, question. Number two, dito sa mga taong nandito sa Duterte Park na kumakain, nagsasayawan or whatever, the question remains, are we doing some things or these things outside the bounds of law? The answer is no. Dapat you should have asked yourself, are these people brilliant enough to have secured a permit before they did whatever events that they are offering the people? The answer is yes. Oh, napod. Is Alvin afraid of anyone? Only God. Uy, Ginoo ko, wakakailaan na. Naunsa naman taon mo, do you think I will be ma-afraid ko sa ingon ana? Oh. Another question. Did these Filipinos secure a permit? Were they granted a permit by the local municipality? The answer is yes. I even stated, if the municipality, an authorized entity in The Hague, even issued or allowed us to gather, they issued us a permit. Who are you to say that we cannot do this? And why are you telling exactly taga dire? And why are you saying that what's the proper decorum? What is the proper decorum? You want us to be what?
Yes. Kung sa gusto ninyo magpabutang midrig polpet, magpantalon midrig, magpalda.
Mon ang punto daha. That's my point. You want me to what? Bend to you? Ginoo ko. As I have said before, okay na gid kay sa kuan na we are doing things differently. You have a different mindset, I have a different mindset, and we can coexist because that's definitely the dynamics of any democratic society. And you want me to ano? You want me to say, oh, nahadlok na ko sa imo kay maon niya mauna. And you want to monopolize the knowledge of what people here in The Hague that we cannot peacefully assemble? Oh, Ginoo ko, naunsa naman taon mo eh. Pasagdi in taon mo sa magibuhat, kawa man minang hasol sa imo. We didn't even ask you any single dime. Ginoo ko. Mabuhay po kayo, sir. Hanggang sa gusto ninyo. Hello po mga kababayan. Ano po kayo, sir? Ano kayo, sir? Seaman?
Galing ng Saudi.
Ah, ikaw ba galing ng Saudi, sir? Hello, sir. Mabuhay po kayo, sir. Ikaw, sir? Galing kayo ng Saudi din?
Dito lang.
Dito. Welcome, sir, ha? Hello po.
Nagluto ng dinuguan.
Hello po, ma'am, sir. Hello po sa inyo. Welcome po sa inyo, sir, ha? Ganda-ganda ng chilling, ha? Hello po sa inyo, mga magagaling mag-picture. Mabuhay po kayo hanggang gusto na nyo. Huwag ka na magano dyan. Ano ka pa para? Sir, mabuhay po kayo, ha? Mga good na picture po. Ito po, di ba? Hello po. Ito, ikaw din.
Mabuhay po kayo hanggat gusto niyo.
Sir, kamusta, sir? Hello, sir. Kamusta? Ayun yun na mag-shout out. Tapo, ano na kayo?
Sir Alvin.
Sir, kamusta, sir? Sir. Sir, ano? Viral tayo ngayon.